Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage auto off mode for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application. Of course your speaker should be connected with the app, then tap on it at the device list and we need to go to the settings at the right top. And right here, at the fourth line, we have auto power off, so tap at this line. And now you have 5 options, so you can set it to 5, 10, 20 and 60 minutes by just tap at the best one for you. Or you can also turn off this mode. So now I select 60 minutes and after 60 minutes, if I do not play audio, it will automatically turn off. If I click at this slider near to auto power off, and if the slider have a blue background, I will turn off this mode. Now, if you select something else that 20 minutes, after factory reset, your speaker return to the default settings and you will have turn on. And it will set to 20 minutes. So if you perform a factory reset and you, let's say, don't want to you want to turn off this mode, you need to again go to the settings right here in the application and turn off this mode or select another time. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.